Hey guys, so I wanted to show you guys real quick what I got from the Dollar Tree and from Bi-Lo. So I'm just going to do like a little quick haul real quick because we're going to eat some lunch and then go to the park. So first thing I got from the Dollar Tree, which my Dollar Tree had tons of new stuff, and so I was super excited when I found some of these things that I've seen other people haul, and I was like, I gotta get it. So I found this little makeup bag, super cute. I've seen quite a few people haul these, and I'm hoping the lighting's good. Hold on, let me open this blind up a little bit. Maybe it will be a little bit brighter so you can see a little bit better. Hopefully that's better. So yeah, it's not very sunny outside, but it feels good though. Anyways, so I got this official use only makeup bag. Super cute. It's got like a red zipper, and it's kind of, you know, obviously it's not the best quality. It's kind of like plasticky feeling, if you can hear it, but it is super cute. And they had like 3 other kinds as well. Then I got little man some Jolly Rancher chews. Not that they need it, but I was like, well, I'll get him that. So then I got these. I've heard quite a few people talk about these. 45 and Fab and a couple other ladies I watched, but they're called the Maxi Thins feminine cleansing cloths, kind of like the Summer's Eve's cloths, which I have used and loved. So I'm hoping that these are comparable to that. I will keep you guys updated on that. And then I was so excited when I found these. I seen 45 and Fab haul these, and I was like, oh my gosh. And when I seen that my Dollar Tree had them, I almost bought them all, but I was like, eh. I found these G2 pens. These at Walmart, I know, are easily $4 to $5, and especially for the refills, are very expensive. Because these are the only pens that my husband uses for work, and they are phenomenal. They're really good. They don't run out that fast. And he's had a couple of them, and he lost them, and I was like, well, let me just stock him up, because usually we just buy the, you know, the refills for him and stuff like that. So I bought 2 black ones. They only had black and blue, and I know he uses the black or whatever, so I got him those. But, you know, for $1, that is not bad for those G2s. Then I got Raya these passies, the Angel of Mine. These passies are the best passies I've ever used. I cannot find them anywhere but at the Dollar Tree. I don't think that Walmart sells these. We had gotten a pack from when she was a baby. They were given to us, and or whatever, and like a big old baby bag that we had gotten. And oh my gosh, you guys, these are one of the best passies, like I said, I've ever used, and I love them. And I didn't know until recently, probably a few months ago, that they actually sold them at the Dollar Tree. So if you see them there, pick them up. They're really good passies. Then I found a bunch of the like Kiss nail dress design things, and so I'm hoping you guys can see. That light is like not that good, sorry. Let me see if I can get it to be a little bit brighter. Okay, I don't think it's going to be any brighter. So basically you get these designs, if you can see. I'm hoping. But little cats and dogs, and then one side is like for your whole nail, one side's for like the tip as it shows here. So I mean, for $1, super cute. And we've used some of these Kiss before, and they're actually really good. Then I bought another thing of the multivitamins, really good. I also buy the vitamin D, which I have some in there. But I really love these. The texture is kind of odd, but they taste good, so that's all that matters to me. And then I got some 2-in-1 Icy Blast Whitening Toothpaste for the kids. We wanted to try this and see how they like it. They don't really like the sweet flavored bubble gums kind of stuff. So then I got these Kiss nail dress designs, and these can actually go on your toes. The lighting is so off, but these can go on your toes or your fingers, I believe. Yeah, that's what it says. But I just thought these were super cute. I wish the light was a little bit better. There you go. And yeah, aren't these really cute for $1? Okay, so that was all from my Dollar Tree. So I'm going to switch over here and I'm going to show you what I got from Bi-Lo real quick. So basically I got the halos. They had these on sale. They're usually about $6. I got them on sale for like a little over $3. Love these things. They go quickly. We got some Lay's original chips to go with our sandwiches. And then I'm making homemade chicken Alfredo. So I had to get some whole milk mozzarella cheese. What is it, Bobby? What is it? Okay, sorry about that. Raya was crying. She's getting fussy. So I'm trying to hurry. So I got the Red Bull, obviously. You don't have to explain that. Got some chicken broth, which will go in my Alfredo. And if you guys want to know how I make my Alfredo, I can do a video of how I make it. I got this Lando Frost Premium smoked honey ham, hickory ham, whatever you want to call it. I prefer deli meats, but I grabbed that just because I didn't feel like waiting for them to cut it up. And then I got these. If they didn't have the the ham, that they had the turkey. If I buy sandwich meat that's not from the deli itself, this is probably the brand that I buy because it's the best. This is okay, but this is better. This is more comparable to getting it from the deli sliced and everything. But like I said, I prefer the deli, but you know, hey, I just didn't have time to wait. Then I picked up some more of the Alfredo noodles that I'm going to use. I actually use these. These came from Walmart, which are really, really good. And they were only $1. These are really good. I don't really think there's a difference in taste of noodles. Then got some grits, cheddar cheese grits. They were on sale, buy one, get one. And so were the strawberries. And these strawberries actually look really good. I'm very picky on buying fruits at certain places because they tend to look very bad. But these actually looked really good and they look tasty. So, yes guys, so that concludes my Dollar Tree Bi-Lo haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys hopefully in my next video.